Oh, very short. No, very short, man. Bro, how can I move? So what's the number, bro? What's the number?
The last three, bro.
Huh?
The last three.
We'll ask. ट्रेन का नंबर ट्रेन टिकट देख ले
Last three seating.
go bro you have gone the number
66. ये कौन से है? ये तो 7 है bro.
go we came inside the tent seating is like that actually but it's a very broad one okay
66 and 67.
so the train looks very clean so that like it's divided into coaches actually it's a third coach but so as per like our ticket coach number is 2 the seat numbers are 6 7 8 C the doors like it's very narrow bro it's very narrow right can compare to our trains right it's very narrow
Two है ना ये?
these two 67 like the window oh very big window
भाई ऐसी
there are
ही
no
लेनी थी यार.
grills as well huh
ऐसी ही लेनी थी उधर.
train is moving is a DC like actually right we didn't got a book reservation ticket so the ticket was like almost booked so we have got a third class ticket so currently it is only available it's only available so we have to travel I have decided to travel in train only so I have bought that general ticket but it's reserved only we have a reservation number so for particular seat number 3 we will be having reservation. So he is a TC came for ticket checking. Hi sir. Can I have friend? There are no power sockets. I'll show you how the bathroom is. How the toilets is very small. So in India, like it's having a very spacious way. Here it's small only. There is how much? 20 baht. Okay, okay.
Am I?
No. Thank you. क्या भाई so this is another station